Welcome back. Let's unbox this Yeezy 350 Bone. The Adidas Yeezy Boost Bone feature white permagnet uppers with perforated layers underneath and transparent mesh strips along the lateral sides. Additional detailing comes in the form of weaved laces, heel loops, matching sock liners, and Yeezy globe symbol marked insoles. Finishing up the design of the shoe are full-length Boost midsoles encapsulated in white are translucent rubber that continue the tonal look. The all-white take on Kanye West's beloved footwear model focuses on a tonal look with varied textures. Subscribe for more.